Hi, my name is Al Hunetti. I'm the Chief Executive Officer of OCTO Detectors USA and our distribution arm, Detector Wholesale LLC. We are American-based companies in the United States of America. OCTO Detectors specializes in the design and development of metal detecting technology. Today, we are going to introduce you to our star leading product, the OCTO Relic Monster. It's a pulse induction system with excellent benefits, unlike other systems on the market. One of the best benefits I have seen for this pulse detector is the stabilization factor. This thing can stabilize over any type of mineral grounds or hot rocks. We have tested it in many places around the world with different geologies and geography to see how it performs, and it performed excellent for our users. Today we're going to do the unboxing of this. What do you get when you receive this system? Okay, let's take a look. This system comes with its own case. It's a beautiful backpack, as we can see. And it houses the entire system for our user. Makes it easy to carry to your site. It's got a front lock to be secured around your waist. And let's take a look at what comes on the inside of this. The first thing that we have here is the headphone for the detector. Comes with a bag full of goodies, a strap for the actual detector itself, and we're going to make a separate video on this one showing how to strap the system to your body. It also comes with the cable that we need. This cable will allow the system to have a 2 meter by 2 meter antenna, and it will be folded to make a 1 meter by 1 meter antenna, and we're going to make a video on that too. It also comes with its own charger and a manual. The system itself comes in 2 pieces. This is the top main unit, and the frame. The system has a warranty of 2 years. It is very lightweight. The entire system with the cable is less than 4 pounds. So it will allow you to work for many, many hours detecting without being tired or your hands being tired. It is so easy to put together, as we can see. Very simple. And lock. And the system is on top of the unit. It is lightweight. Now, in regards to the cable, these arms will extend to make a 2 meter by 2 meter antenna, allowing you to cover more area of where you are trying to detect. All these four will extend and the cables will be placed on four sides of the detector, and we are going to show that in the video. This is an excellent metal detector. It has the ability to detect a 26 by 26 inch target at the depth of 15 feet. This is not a toy. This is a serious metal detector for serious metal detectors. Thank you very much.